What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on the Tamiya Mazda MX-5. So let's go on the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what's inside, and take a bit more detail later on. Alrighty, first up we got decals. Decals are, your typical decals, the ones you need for the car. They're gauge decals, was like a dash decal, and your third brake light, hazard lights, and a couple license plates. Very necessary. They do provide you masking for the windows because, well, let's be honest, masking on the windows for back trim is kind of a pain, but they cover that for you. And that appears look like seat belts because since this is a convertible, you need some detail in the interior because you're going to be seeing the interior a lot more. And then you do have 3D metal transfers. These are pretty neat. They actually look like actual badge parts, actual 3D. So that's very cool. Get the Mazda logo, mirrors. Very cool. Try again real quick. Very cool. Neat. Alright, chrome. It's not too many chrome because these newer cars don't have too much chrome, but what's there is necessary. Headlights, taillights, your typical chrome parts for these kind of cars. Very cool. And we'll take a real quick at the clear parts. So you get your hazard lights, reverse lights, tail lights, headlights, and your front windshield. Very cool. And then it does come with a little girl figure, so you can choose to put this in the kit. I might not, that's why I keep it in the bag, but it's kind of cool. It comes with a little figure. Pretty neat. Alright, now we're getting to the good parts. So here's your wheels, your standard Mazda MX-5 wheels, your exhaust, brakes, steering wheel, and your nice seats. Put a nice two-tone interior in there. and you get the black mold parts. So you do get left and right hand drive. So here is your right hand drive stuff. So here's the right hand drive dash, and your windshield wipers also. And then here's your left hand drive parts. So here's the left hand drive dash and your windshield wipers. So you got some sway bars, suspension, looks like a grill. Here's some interior parts. Here's your door panels. Very neat. And your main interior pan. Very cool. Alright, the last big tree in the kit is mainly your chassis. So you do get your skid plate and a transmission in one part. This is a curved side. So they do give you a good detail of the transmission, which is always a good plus for the curved side. Suspension, your back axle, steering. You do have option of U.S. or European plates, rackets. Always nice. More skid plates, suspension, pedals. Looks like some door panels, accent right there. Mirrors, dry shaft, part of your axle, bracing, and your main chassis. Very nice detail. Holy cow. Very nice detail on that. Sweet. And the last big piece is your body. Body is all one piece. The bumpers, which is a good plus. See if you're in trouble right there. Get your side skirts on there. So you really just have to get the mold lines out, which I don't see too many. Just your typical ones on the fenders. Not very noticeable, to be honest. But you do look them really closely. They are right here. But they're mostly hidden, but you do spot them here and there. Cut this right off. That's just for support for this part for the windshield, because that's pretty fragile. But yeah, very nice clean molded body. Very cool. Alright, lastly is your wheels. So you do get some poly caps, so you can make them sort of spinnable. And your tires. Very nice actual rubber tires is what Tamiya and these companies do. I love them. And they are name branded, not as I'm sure. There's some kind of lettering on there. Tread pattern is actually pretty darn cool. Now, if you are in the U.S. and you have Pegasus for option for the wheels, Pegasus, there are wheels are exactly almost the same as the Mazda MX-5 wheels. So I'll show you them right here. These are the Pegasus M5s. So these are almost, if not exactly, the same wheels, just one more spokes, and they are a little bit bigger, and they do fit on this car. So you want to make the wheels a little bit bigger, get the Pegasus M5s, or I know the Cross the Pond, I think it's Plamos, they make different set of wheels for this kit too. But if US got Pegasus, the M5s are the good wheels for this kit. And I will print it out right here, if I can find the wheels here. So here's the stock wheels, and there's the Pegasus. So Pegasus have one more spokes, but they are a little bit bigger. So you want a bigger, tougher, meaner look on this car, get the Pegasus. Real quick tip. So after taking a very good look at this kit, guys, I really do recommend it. It's a Tamiya kit, so there's gonna be no fitment issues. There's no flash. So if you want to build a nice, easy, small little car, this is actually a pretty darn good kit. You can really detail the heck out of this. There's aftermarket parts out of this for this. I know Plamos, they make aftermarket parts for bumpers, side skirts. You can go all out on this build. But this is a quick, easy build. You want to do it just box stock. This is a nice car. But alright guys, that'll do it for this Unbox Monday. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.